When it comes to tomatoes, a lot of people think you have to do something to aid in pollination, and honestly, I think most of those people are just creating more work for themselves and, quite frankly, are wasting their time because by the time you go to hand pollinate, they've probably already been pollinated. Tomatoes are pretty much self pollinating, so they can pollinate themselves within the same flower, but the success of their pollination can be helped, but usually nature alone is good enough. Beneficial insects can help release and transfer pollen, and even just the wind, even a gentle breeze, can shake a tomato flower enough to get it pollinated. A lot of people seem to feel like they need to tap their tomato blossoms or use soft brushes to move the blossoms a bit or use an electric toothbrush to create a vibration on each flower to get the pollen moving. But this is only really necessary if you are growing tomatoes indoors or in a greenhouse where there aren't beneficial insects and where there probably isn't wind. But if you really feel like you need to do something to aid in pollination, if you use tomato cages, you can just shake the cage a few times versus spending time hand pollinating each flower. If you don't use tomato cages to support your plants, you could also just gently grab the main leader of a plant and give it a shake or two. Or if you're growing dwarf or micro tomatoes in containers, lifting the containers and just moving them a few inches over can be enough to jostle some pollen around. I have never hand pollinated tomatoes, and my dad has never hand pollinated tomatoes, and we both have had good yields doing nothing and just leaving it to nature. For me, the only reason I'd need to hand pollinate tomato flowers, other than if I were growing tomatoes indoors, is if I wanted to create my own varieties of tomatoes by taking pollen from other tomato varieties to get them cross pollinated to save seeds from to grow in the next season. But even then, that would be tricky if a bloom has already been pollinated, which, as we can see, if growing outdoors, could be a huge possibility. But again, other than that or growing indoors, you really don't need to do anything. Don't create more work for yourself and just let nature do its job.